I want to show you a super easy hair care routine if you're struggling with hair loss or hair shedding or your hair's falling out. I'm 53 years old and my hair grows really fast, so fast that I have to get it trimmed quite often. And so I want to show you, first of all, one supplement that I think can really make a difference in helping your hair to grow and to prevent hair from falling out. And then I'm just gonna show you my quick hair routine of what I did today when I did a wash and blowout on my hair. First thing I just wanted to mention is this hairbrush. I've shared it before, but this is my favorite hairbrush to just brush my hair throughout the day or at night before I go to bed. This is called a Miracle brush, and I only bought it just out of curiosity. But this has become my favorite hairbrush. Now, this is not what I use to do a blowout. I use, a special round brush to blow out and smooth my hair. But this is what I'll use at night, like to do a little scalp massage to get the kind of the blood circulating in my scalp. I love it so much because throughout the day, if I brush my hair, sometimes my hair will get really staticky with other hairbrushes, and I love that this prevents any static from happening. But it has two different lengths of bristles and different types of bristles. It's got like the boar hair bristles, shorter ones in here, and then it has these longer kind of plastic ones with these little massaging tips on it. And I think the person who created this might be like a content creator or something. She's got amazing, beautiful, long, ridiculously long, gorgeous hair. So I just wanted to kind of try it out. But this has become my favorite. And then also when I use this, especially if maybe I'm having a bad hair day, all I have to do is just kind of brush through my hair, and it adds so much volume but loads of shine in my hair. It's just, I guess it is a miracle, a miracle hairbrush. But I really love this, so I just wanted to do a quick mention of this. But one supplement that I think could make a huge difference in helping hair to grow, well, I think it does for me, but this is pumpkin seed oil, and I'll link this one down below where I purchased it and everything. And there's so many different supplements on the market that say they're for hair growth and all of that, but they have like so many different ingredients in them, and then especially ones that have like biotin in them. Those will cause the worst breakouts if you're acne prone like me, like cystic, horrible cystic acne for me. So I just avoid anything with biotin. Plus, I think a lot of doctors say that biotin's not good to take anyways, unless you are deficient in it, because it can also throw off a lot of your thyroid labs. But this is just pure pumpkin seed oil. And actually there are scientific studies that show that pumpkin seed oil, there was a study comparing 5% minoxidil to this, and there's pretty promising information that pumpkin seed oil can, if you don't want to use minoxidil, I never have, but that pumpkin seed oil can really kind of give minoxidil a run for its money. Now, I know a lot of dermatologists swear by minoxidil. Me personally, I've just never used it, and I don't know, I just don't really want to. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it, but for me, I would rather try more natural alternatives or supplements, things like that, to help with my hair growth. But I was reading somewhere about this study, I think it was either after 12 weeks or maybe 24 weeks, that using pumpkin seed oil helped grow the hair. I think it was by like 40%. And so what pumpkin seed oil basically can do is it can help block that hormone DHT, that hormone that can make our hair kind of shrivel up and fall out. For me, like I said, my hair just keeps growing longer and longer and longer and healthier. And I just like to keep using products that will, of course, help with hair growth, help prevent my hair from falling out. And using a pumpkin seed oil supplement is something I like to do. Of course, always check with your doctor to know what's best for you, but this is just something that I like to take. And again, I will link this one down below. I think it's on sale right now also. And something else I like to do, I'll share my shampoo and my scalp serum here in a minute. This is a newer product from the brand Olaplex. Now, this was sent to me. I always tell you if something's sent, everything else for the most part, I always pay for it with my own money. I don't do sponsored content, but sometimes brands do send me products. Now, I've used the regular Olaplex number 3 for many years, and I did like it, but it wasn't a favorite until I tried this. This is their new Olaplex Plus. I've used like half the bottle now. That's how much I'm loving it. I use this, I would say, like every 3rd wash. And the difference between this one and the other one is this one only needs 3 minutes to process, and it's a pre-shampoo. It's not like other hair bonding treatments that need to stay on your hair longer and you have to use them after you wash your hair. I've really been enjoying using this, of course, because of how it makes my hair feel super silky and soft, but very strong. But I like because it's so easy to to use. So all I do is I wet my hair, then I apply a decent amount of this. And I think they say you can do it from the roots to the ends, but I don't. I put it like from my mid-lengths all the way down to the ends. Then I just wrap up my hair, wait 3 minutes, then I jump in the shower, and then I wash and condition my hair, you know, the way I normally would. On their website, it says that this will give 3 times softer hair and 3 times stronger hair. And I do agree with that, because I will say I noticed an immediate difference in the softness and the strength of my hair. This also says that it strengthens the hair from the inside out. And so now this doesn't just help with past damage, but it's also supposed to help with present damage and prevent future damage as well. For me, this new improved formula, I do love this a ton more than the original. So if you already liked the original Olaplex number 3, I think you're gonna absolutely love this new improved version. And then for my shampoo and conditioner today, I've shared this a gazillion times, but if you are dealing with thinning hair or hair falling out, this is a shampoo and conditioner you might want to look into. This is from the brand 𝑽𝑰𝑫𝑬𝑹. This is their full follicle shampoo and conditioner. It's an advanced scalp stimulator for thicker, fuller hair. This is phenomenal. Now, if you only wash your hair like once a week and it's really dirty and you need like a super intense detox type shampoo, you're not gonna wanna use this for that. This is great if you wash your hair like every day or every other day, because it's really gentle, but it is chock full of really impressive ingredients that have made a huge difference in just keeping my hair super healthy. The scent of it, by the way, is so delicious. It's a very light scent, but it smells so yummy. Every time I use this, I have less hair in the shower than when I use another shampoo or conditioner, and I just really like it. That's why I keep using it. And then also on my scalp, I always like to use something to help kind of stimulate my follicles, and I really like their scalp serum, especially because the texture and the feel of it, it's not greasy or thick or oily like a lot of other ones. I mean, this is literally like water, and it does not leave a buildup or grease or grime or anything on your scalp. You could use this every single day, even if you only wash your hair, you know, a few times a week, and it never leaves a buildup. It's just that little extra step that I like to use to help prevent my hair from falling out or getting thinner. If you want to see another video on like all of the different hair products and serums or lotions and potions that I might use throughout the week, just leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you want to see a video like that. But this is just one of my main routines that I like to do on most days that I wash my hair. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.